If you're exploring potential places to call home, here are a few reasons why Brookings should be at the top of your list, specifically 1443 Wisconsin Drive. Let's take a look at what this home in the desirable Hillcrest neighborhood has to offer you. Imagine living just blocks away from the new Hillcrest School and the Aquatic Center and Hillcrest Park. This ideally situated home places some of the best amenities of this neighborhood virtually at your doorstep, promising to make your days significantly less stressful. Convenience is key, with shopping and essential amenities just minutes away, providing everything you need right at your fingertips. Come experience the unmatched charm of the Hillcrest area, nestled in the heart of Brookings. With its style of older homes that whisper tales of a rich history, Hillcrest offers a unique blend of the past and the present. The area is filled with the beauty of mature trees lining the city streets like a leaf-covered tunnel. Make your home among the friendly and welcoming neighbors who add to the warm ambiance of this acclaimed neighborhood. Hillcrest is not merely a place to live, it's a lifestyle that resonates with comfort, charm, and community. This well-maintained ranch home features a corner lot with a fenced yard, perfect for outdoor activities and relaxation. This home invites you inside with its cozy, well-lit living room, accompanied by a grand picture window that beautifully frames the surroundings and invites ample natural light into the space. It provides an inevitable setup for relaxation and effortless entertainment. The conveniently designed main level features 3 generous bedrooms and 2 bathrooms that are designed to provide easy and comfortable living with a strong emphasis on simplicity and punctuality. The well-appointed kitchen offers ample countertops and cupboards. It stands as an area that ignites culinary creativity, equipped with modern amenities catering to the needs of today's chef. Adjacent to the kitchen, the generous dining room promotes a social atmosphere perfect for hosting dinners or just casual get-togethers. With its space and layout, this home offers a perfect blend of private and communal spaces, making it suitable for everyone who appreciates comfortable living. Live, work, and grow right here in Brookings, a city that offers you the perfect balance of small-town charm and modern amenities. Experience the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and community here at 1443 Wisconsin Drive, and discover the joys of living in Brookings, South Dakota. We're the Brookings Home Team. Thank you for watching, and be sure to follow us on all of our other social media platforms. Bye for now.